Well, it's been awfully nice to have the sunshine, the quiet weather, the drier air after a very stormy start to the week. But looks like we're going to see a little bit more active wet weather return as we get into the weekend. Not a total washout. High pressure is breaking down, moving off to our east and southeast, and that's going to allow for a couple of waves in the atmosphere to move on into the area, and that's going to bring us increasing chances for some scattered light rain showers. I don't think it's going to be a whole lot as we get into the day on Saturday. Sunday potentially could bring us a better round of some showers and maybe a couple of thunderstorms, but we have to overtake this dry air, at which point it will happen. Dew points start to climb back into the 60s to near 70 next Tuesday and Wednesday, and we're going to add more heat to the atmosphere as well, so that's going to make it feel definitely more summer-like for sure. But it is officially the unofficial start to summer. Well, that happens on June 1st. So we're there. All right, becoming mostly cloudy, mild overnight tonight. Increase in scattered light rain showers. A better chance for rain on Sunday versus Saturday. And then as we get into next week, we'll have those elevated rain chances hanging out with us. So picking up our timeline here, overnight tonight, you'll see the clouds increasing. The clouds are going to act like a nice little blanket, keeping our morning lows nice and mild. So if you have early morning travel plans or outdoor plans, it's going to be feeling great early in the morning. I don't think it will have a whole lot of rain by sunrise, but we could see some scattered light rain showers throughout the day on Saturday. Morning low temperatures will be nice and mild. We're going to be in the 50s and even pockets of low to mid 60s, thanks to the cloud coverage and the moisture being added to the atmosphere. And temperature-wise, not bad. We're going to top out in the upper 70s to low 80s throughout the day on Saturday, and that's really going to be the trend here as we head through the rest of the weekend. All right, here we go. Those rain chances, as they run into that drier air, notice it just kind of fizzles out. So I think the I-75 corridor west has the best chance of seeing some light rain showers Saturday, upper East Tennessee and east of the I-75 corridor or east of downtown Knoxville, less likely to see that amount of rainfall. And then we'll start to see a little bit more rain head our way as we get into our Sunday, and those elevated rain chances stick with us as we head into next week as well. So when you look at your 3-day forecast, solid average weather on the way, all the way through the weekend and into the start of next week. Elevated rain chances, no severe weather threat on the table as it stands right now, but we'll watch next Thursday. Thursday is going to be another cold front swinging through. It looks like the low may be tracking just a little bit further to the north, therefore not a lot of severe weather. And then rain chances come down as we get into the next weekend. We're talking about next weekend, like a week away, but we're also looking at looking at drier air to settle on in as well. So our jet stream's retreating up to the north. That's in the upper parts of the atmosphere. In the middle parts of the atmosphere, we have these little waves swinging through, and that's what's going to help to spark off those scattered showers and a few thunderstorms as we get into the upcoming weekend. Not a ton of rainfall expected over the next 7 days. I think your solid 7-day rainfall stretch is going to be less than 1 inch. So while we got a lot of rain recently, it's probably about time to start turning on those sprinkler systems once again. Warmer temperatures next week. We're going to be back in the mid to maybe even pockets of upper 80s. You add the humidity to it, and it's going to feel more like the upper 80s to low 90s. Low temperatures will be elevated as well in the 60s, so a solid weather pattern for morning lows. Again, thanks to some cloud coverage and more humidity. So as you travel out and about here through the upcoming weekend, make sure you have a way to receive weather information. Not that we're talking weather, severe weather by any stretch, but if we do have some showers, you're out on the boats, you're out maybe at the golf course or hiking, you want to be notified or at least check in with the interactive radar, which we remember gives you current, past, and future radar of 2 hours. It's a great tool to have in your toolbox. Have a great weekend.